Okay, in this lesson we want to talk about key signatures. So there are major key signatures and minor key signatures, and all you really know is that together they don't really mix well. Take a quick listen to this little project. I don't know if you can tell or not, but something just doesn't quite sound right. Now, here's the drum beat. That'll sound good with anything, basically. And here's the bass by itself. Listen to this. That sounds great. Nothing wrong with that. Now listen to this drum beat along with these two tracks at the bottom. They sound fine. Nothing wrong with that. Let's mute the drums and let's hear what it sounds like with the bass from the beginning. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, they just don't quite sound good together. But independently, they're fine. Well, here's why. Let's take a look. When I hover over this bass track, do you see this key says E minor? How do I know that? Because there's a little M with it. E minor, E-M. That means minor. Now my project down here, my project key is E minor. So that's cool. That's great. Then when I go to this part here, this just has an E. I hit edit. I go to transpose. But you notice the little M's missing. That's because this track is in major. And major and minor together don't really sound very good. Let's look at this last one. Also, go to transpose, E. Well, I can't make it minor, at least not in this track. So what happened here is that after this person put the bass in, this project said, okay, everything's in E minor. And then when they went in to find the next track, there's a section here, any scale. And if you hit the drop down, this says minor, major. So what happens when I go in here and I hit hip hop, and then let's say I hit minor, you see how this says top picks for this project? That means the program already went through and said these 5 sounds would sound really good based off of what we have over here. That doesn't mean anything below this line will be bad, but it means these are the best picks. And how I got that was by selecting minor. So because my project's in minor, my first track's in minor, I'm going to hit minor here, and that's going to say all these options are minor. All of these should work. Okay, so you can change the key of a loop, but what I would do is when you import that first track and it says EM, just go right down here and make this EM and you'll be good to go. That means everything else you can get will be minor by default. Now yours might be major, and that's perfectly okay. What you would do if you wanted to not use this track and you wanted to use these two, then I would go down here to my key, hit the E major one, go hit major, and now all of these tracks would be suitable for our project.